Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Bajai Chuang is the collective name for 3 communities in Hualien. The area was home to the Qing Army over 120 years ago. Locals gather every year to celebrate the birth of the local god Shahai Changhuan. This riotous occasion is a chance to recreate the feel of life a century ago. For the past 15 years, a noisy drum battle has crowned the celebrations, evoking the martial sounds of yesteryear.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and we're here in the month of July. It's summertime, and there's got to be special events happening around town, and that's what Leo is here. He's got insights on special events. 介绍一些可能为人不知的一些活动，好不好？
好啊，我帶大家去東部好了，法蓮煙水水鄉。
什麼東西？法蓮煙，花蓮縣。
對，花蓮縣。
我突然間聽懂了。然後後面的什麼水水鄉？
水水鄉就是瑞穗鄉。
Oh, this is a township in Hualien County, and this is special because normally we talk about the west coast of Taiwan, from Taipei, Hsinchu down to Kaohsiung, but now we're going to go to the east coast and indulge in some Hakka culture going on there. 所以在花蓮有一些客家的這個活動，在這個月會發生是什麼呢？
這叫歡喜鑼鼓萬客情。
歡喜鑼鼓萬客情。
鼓王整巴簪，
鼓王整巴簪，
歡喜鑼鼓滿客情。
哦，鑼鼓就是打鼓的東西，
對，敲鑼打鼓很熱鬧的。
All right， 然後後面
那個字，那個叫鼓王爭霸戰。
鼓王爭霸戰，
鑼鼓比賽啊。
Oh, okay. The title of this event actually sounds like a video game. It seriously does, okay? But it's actually a drum battle event in Hualien. 所以呢，這個是怎麼樣？是一個打鼓的比賽，是從什麼樣的典故而來的呢？
這是因為那個有一個城隍廟的一個活動，要慶祝他生日哦。這個活動已經舉辦了15年了。
Wow， 城隍就是城隍廟的城隍嘛，對不對？ All right, so this is actually an event that evolved from the celebration of the birth of a god known as 城隍, and this event has been going on for 15 years. 这个7月呢，可以到那边去感受一下花蓮的美，然後呢，又可以享受到客家一個15年的傳統文化。Very, very nice. Okay, this drumming event again is called 歡喜鑼鼓滿客情，然後鼓王爭霸戰，是不是？
是的。
怎麼說呢？
歡喜鑼鼓滿客情，
歡喜鑼鼓滿客情，
鼓王整巴簪。
鼓王整巴簪. Okay, go check this out. It's a fun event, and especially if you love the drums, it's definitely something you can relate to. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.